Hey friends, welcome to my channel Innovation IC. Here you can see in this video I made a air controlled fan or bulb regulator. Here is the main circuit of the regulator. I used capacitor dropper like in step type regulators, which does not makes any hum sound while speed up and down. So yes, I use three capacitors and some relay to control the whole process. And for the isolation from high voltage and logic voltage, I used optocouplers. So let's move on the next circuit. This is the main brain, you can also consider it. And I use a shift register SC12 SC164. So it's give four outputs, which is our requirement for driving four relays. And whenever I press the remote, the LEDs glows partially one by one, and so on. Now connect the breadboard's output from shift register to our relay module, and here is the series wires of the load. You can definitely connect from 70 watts to 100 and 155 watts, and connect the outputs of the to the relay module, and so on. And also connect the 5-volt supply for the relay, and our circuit working on 5 volt from breadboard and the whole relay module. Now this is the 220-volt female jack, and I use this to power the whole system. Now connect the 220 into the socket, and solder properly the load and AC. So the whole circuit is connected, and now see the result. So the first step gives a very low voltage output, and the second one gives a little bit more, and the third one is also a little bit more, and the fourth is the full. So the cycle repeats, and the regulation can be done wirelessly without any physical contact. You can definitely use any type of air sensors. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends.